Wyspell Witchcraft Kit Review. Is it worth the hype? Witchcraft has become more popular than ever, with many people embracing spellwork, energy healing, and Wiccan traditions. Whether you are a beginner setting up your first altar, or an experienced practitioner looking for an all-in-one set, this Wyspell Witchcraft Kit review will help you decide if this kit is the right choice for you. With a collection of crystals, herbs, candles, and more, it promises to be a complete set for anyone looking to enhance their magical practice. But does it live up to expectations? Let's find out. First impressions. A beautifully packaged kit. The first thing I noticed when unboxing this kit was its elegant presentation. The Wyspell Witchcraft Kit review would not be complete without mentioning the stunning black and gold stamped box, which immediately gives it a mystical and high-quality feel. The packaging alone makes it a fantastic gift option for anyone interested in witchcraft. Upon opening the box, I was pleasantly surprised by how neatly arranged and well-organized everything was. Some kits on the market feel like a random assortment of items, but this one feels intentionally curated. Every item has its place, making it easy to store and access when needed. What's inside? A closer look at the contents. In this Wyspell Witchcraft Kit review, I want to break down each component so you can understand exactly what you are getting. The kit includes a variety of essential items for spellwork, rituals, and altar setups. Crystals for energy work and manifestation. Crystals are a key part of many spiritual practices, and this kit provides a well-rounded selection. The stones include amethyst, enhances intuition and offers spiritual protection. Clear quartz, a master healer that amplifies energy. Rose quartz, the stone of love and emotional balance. Tiger's eye, citrine, aventurine, and more. Each crystal is real and natural, not the artificial or dyed stones often found in cheaper kits. Dried herbs for spellwork. A good Wyspell Witchcraft Kit review must highlight the variety of herbs included. The kit contains 14 dried herbs such as lavender, rosemary, mugwort, and chamomile. These herbs can be used in spell jars, teas, candle magic, or other rituals. The herbs come in resealable pouches, making them easy to store and use. Colored spell candles. Candle magic is one of the easiest and most effective ways to set intentions, and this kit provides 12 spell candles in different colors. Whether you need red for love, green for prosperity, or black for protection, this set has a great variety for different spells and rituals. Parchment paper and bonus notebook. A witch's practice often involves writing spells, petitions, and manifestations, so it is great that this kit includes parchment paper and a notebook. Whether you want to create sigils, document your rituals, or write affirmations, this set gives you the tools to do so. A sturdy and stylish witch's box. Everything comes neatly packed in a sturdy, elegant box, making it ideal for storage or display on an altar. Is the Wyspell Witchcraft Kit worth it? After testing all the items, I can confidently say that this Wyspell Witchcraft Kit review confirms that this kit is a great investment for both beginners and experienced witches. The materials are high quality, the selection is well thought out, and the packaging is beautiful. Whether you are just starting out or looking to enhance your collection, this kit delivers on its promises. Pros: high quality, real crystals and natural herbs. Beautiful and organized packaging. A great variety of essential witchcraft tools. Perfect for beginners and experienced practitioners. Cons: some herbs are in small quantities, but still sufficient for multiple spells. No detailed guidebook, though most information is easy to find online. If you are looking for a complete kit to enhance your spiritual practice, the Wyspell Witchcraft Kit review proves that this is one of the best options available. It includes everything you need to get started or to expand your altar setup. Ready to begin your magical journey? Click the link in the description to buy the Wyspell Witchcraft Kit on Amazon today.